Have you ever wondered what lies beneath your feet? What's really going on underground, deep below the Earth's surface? Today, we're diving into the mysterious world beneath our planet and exploring the layers, the unknowns, and whether anyone has ever ventured there. So, let's dig in. The Earth isn't just a solid mass of rock and soil. It has layers, much like an onion. At the very top, we have the crust, which is what we walk on every day. It's a thin layer of rock, only a few miles thick on land, and even thinner under the ocean. Beneath the crust is the mantle. This layer extends about 1,800 miles deep and consists mostly of hot, molten rock called magma. But we're just getting started. Now, we reach the outer core, a layer of liquid metal, mostly iron and nickel. It's super hot here. We're talking about temperatures between 4,500 to 5,500 degrees Celsius. Finally, we have the inner core, a solid ball of metal with temperatures as hot as the surface of the sun. That's over 6,000 degrees Celsius. Imagine standing there. Well, you wouldn't stand for long, that's for sure. So, what's it like in the Earth's core? It's not your typical environment. The inner core is under extreme pressure, with heat that could melt nearly anything. But despite the extreme heat, the inner core remains solid because of the intense pressure from the Earth's layers above. But here's the million-dollar question. Could anything live there? At such extreme temperatures, life as we know it can't survive. However, scientists have found some organisms, called extremophiles, living in the Earth's crust, and even in deep hydrothermal vents at the bottom of the ocean. But as far as we know, life can't exist deeper than that. At least not in the mantle, outer core, or inner core. Has anyone ever ventured deep underground or to the Earth's core? Well, not exactly. The deepest humans have drilled is the Kola super deep borehole in Russia. It reached a depth of about 7.5 miles, which might sound impressive, but it's only scratching the surface when compared to the Earth's total depth of around 4,000 miles to the core. There have also been famous explorations of caves, like the Krubera Cave in Georgia, which is the deepest known cave in the world, plunging over 7,200 feet deep. But that's nowhere near the center of the Earth. So, while we have made some progress in exploring underground, we are still far from reaching the core. What does the future hold for exploring the Earth's underground? Well, scientists are constantly developing better technology for drilling and exploring the deep. Projects like the International Continental Scientific Drilling Program aim to go deeper into the Earth's crust to learn more about its composition, its resources, and maybe even discover new forms of life. Furthermore, as the climate changes, the underground could become more important. Geothermal energy, which taps into the heat from the Earth's mantle, is a renewable energy source that could help power our future. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll use the Earth's underground not just for energy, but perhaps even for shelter. So, while we haven't reached the center of the Earth, we've learned a lot about what lies beneath us. From the layers of the Earth's crust, mantle, and core, to the possibilities of future exploration, the underground remains one of the final frontiers of science. Who knows what discoveries await us? Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into our planet and beyond. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to explore, drop them in the comments below. Until next time.